Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius fire sign. This is July bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to feed in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Sagittarius fire sign. Messages for Sagittarius. Messages for Sagittarius. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio, water sign, or Gemini. Under the deck, 10 of Wands, Temperance, it's your card and it's your reading, Sagittarius, and 9 of Wands and Ace of Swords and 6 of Pentacles. I think in this relationship there is no equal give and take. Maybe you decided to cut off this person from your life. For some, there is some communication is coming. Right now, you are guarded up. Yes, you are protecting your emotions and you want to restore the balance within yourself. You are patiently waiting. And right now, you're feeling overburdened. Maybe your emotions are running high. Maybe you are doing a lot of work. You have more pressure on you, Sagittarius. So, let's see your reading. Recent past, 6 of Cups, Page of Swords and 3 of Swords. I think you are thinking about this person a lot, especially in recent past. Lot of thinking. And you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. And lot of spying is also going in past. Lots of you are in separation with your person or no contact situation. If you are in relationship with your person, this is on and off connection. You only the person always taking care of this relationship. They always in and out of your life. There is no stability, especially from your person's side. You are always there for your person no matter what. Then present, Death, 4 of Cups and 5 of Wands. Lot of drama is going between you and your person. Yeah, this is one type of ending between you and your person. You're feeling missed opportunity. You're still feeling missing them. You're still feeling alone. Because you are heartbroken here. You are thinking about them a lot. Then future, the Lovers, 10 of Pentacles and the Empress. So there is love, but you want to focus on your money, on your abundance, Sagittarius. And there is a financial stability. In these recent times, you are more focused on your career. You are creating more money. Especially stability in finances is coming. And you will be in power in near future. Especially you are no more dependent on anyone emotionally. You are taking your power back. Yeah, there is love, but you choose yourself. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Sagittarius, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity. 7 of Pentacles, the World, the Lovers, and Strength. So yeah, they do love you. Lots of you are in long distance relationship. I think your person always keep putting you in waiting mode. They still is on waiting mode. They're very in slow moving energy. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Sagittarius, your person current feelings and intentions towards you. Two of Swords, 8 of Cups, and 7 of Cups. Lot of confusion, 10 of Swords, 9 of Swords, the Tower, oh my god, 6 of Swords. Yeah, now they have regrets. Yeah, they did hurt you, they know. Maybe in past they walked away from this connection. Still, They have no clarity. Still they are in some confusion. Maybe your person have options, but they want rebirth in this connection, and they're missing you so much. They're missing you badly. They're losing their nights over you. And right now your person going through some tower moment. For some, your person going through a lot in their life right now. Yeah, definitely they want to fix things between you and them, but right now they're at some confusion. They're at some crossroads. They have to make a proper move. They have to make a proper decision. Your person is in confusion. Still they are in confusion. So let's see their intentions. One time they want this relationship, one time they don't want. That type of juggling, that type of confusion they are in right now. They have no clarity at all. But they do love you. Nine of Cups. Knight of Cups. Yeah, they do love you. They're wishing for this connection. Yes, they want to offer their cup of love to you. But right now, they're in very, very slow moving energy. Knight of Cups. For some, your person is already married and having kids with other person. Lots of you are involved in third party situation. Yeah, Eight of Wands. Maybe they're planning to communicate with you. Communication is coming. Eight of Wands and Wheel of Fortune and Death. Yeah, it was ended between you and your person, but they are waiting for right time to approach you. They're planning to communicate with you. In future, there will be lots of communication. Definitely they will approach, but it will take some time. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Four of Cups. Seven of Sea. I think trust issues in past. They manipulated you. They played games with you. They have regrets. They're scared. But they want to give clarity to you. This time they want to take action very soon. Right now they're missing you badly. I think you're also missing them, but you will overcome this energy because you will be in Empress energy. And yes, definitely see, you will overcome this energy, then you will be in hopeful situation. There is some positive change in your life. See this. You will be in this energy. You will independent, especially financially and emotionally, Sagittarius. So let's see mutual energies. And the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius. See, Pisces, maybe the person involved in this connection could be, some cycles are going to end between you and your person, and they're very, very attracted to you. Still they're thinking about you. They're very attracted to you. For some, a brand new person is entering in your life, a new love. Yeah, there is love between both of you. At the same time, trust issues. Lot of trust issues between you and your person, but you both love each other. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Sagittarius. I am very attracted to you. I will never forget you. And finances and career, twin flames. Lots of you are in twin flame journey. So the messages are, I am very attracted to you. I will never forget you. Finances and career. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck, Sagittarius. A time for healing. So if you are going through a lot right now, it is a time for healing. Especially for you. Do meditation to heal yourself completely. And it's time to take action. New moon in Aries. So for anyone, those who are waiting for sign, this is the message for you. If you want to take action towards your person, this is the message. It's time to take action, especially new moon in Aries. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.